In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Texas Roadhouse gift card balance. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as easy as possible. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you like to use. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top, type in Texas Roadhouse, and hit enter. This will pull up a list of search results related to Texas Roadhouse. It's important to use a trusted browser to ensure your online safety. Now, let's move to the next step. Look through the search results and locate the official Texas Roadhouse website. Typically, it will be one of the first results you see. Click on this link to open the official site. Ensuring you are on the correct website is crucial because it protects you from phishing scams or incorrect information. Once you're on the Texas Roadhouse homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top of the page, you'll notice several navigation options. Look for the one labeled gift cards and click on it. This section of the website is specifically dedicated to everything related to gift cards, including balance checks. After clicking on gift cards, you will be directed to a new page. On this page, you should see an option for checking your gift card balance. It's usually a button or a link that says something like check balance. Click on this to proceed. Navigating directly to the gift card section saves you time and gets you straight to what you need. At this point, you are almost done. You will be prompted to enter your gift card details. Take your Texas Roadhouse gift card and look for the card number and PIN. These are usually found on the back of the card. Carefully enter the card number into the designated field. Next, enter the PIN in the corresponding field. It's essential to input these numbers correctly to avoid any errors when retrieving your balance. Once you have entered both the card number and the PIN, look for a button that says Check Balance. Click on this button. After a moment, the page should display your current gift card balance. This confirmation assures you that the process was successful. Checking your balance regularly helps you keep track of your spending and ensures you have enough funds for your next visit. If something doesn't look right, you can always double-check the numbers you entered or contact Texas Roadhouse customer service for assistance. And there you have it. You now know how to check your Texas Roadhouse gift card balance with ease. Remember, whenever you're handling online transactions, it's always a good idea to be vigilant and make sure you're on the official site. Thanks for following along and enjoy your next meal at Texas Roadhouse.